Hi, I'm Colleen Castle with Colleen Castle Real Estate in New York. Future home buyers, did you know that your mortgage and real estate taxes are just the tip of the iceberg? There are more monthly costs that you must consider. So, here are some monthly costs that are often overlooked that you need to put into your budget. Have you thought about home repairs and maintenance costs that may sneak up on you and that you aren't aware of initially? Always have a budget for something like that. And how about your utility costs? Gas, electric, heat, water? These will all depend on your location, the type of home that you have, and also what time of year it is. Now, some of you may encounter home association dues. Many communities have these, so be sure to include those in your monthly budget. But the big one is insurance. Insurance premiums are rising at a faster rate than inflation. In many parts of the US, it is putting a severe strain on homeowners. So, what do you need to consider when it comes to your insurance premiums? Don't forget that you have to factor in each month your monthly insurance cost. They can often be quite high. What is covered in your insurance? What are your deductibles? Can you afford out of pocket cost if something major happens? Ask yourself, am I insured for the replacement value of my home? And am I updating this annually? Buying a home means more than just planning for the long term, not just what you can afford today. So you have to be cognizant of what you're putting into your monthly budget. Thank you for listening. Hit the subscribe button for more real estate tips from Colleen Castle Real Estate.